In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Civil 3D to default settings. If your interface looks off, commands aren't behaving, or you've inherited a machine with unfamiliar customizations, a reset can quickly return Civil 3D to a clean factory state. This process refreshes your user profile, menus, workspaces, palettes, and many system variables without uninstalling the software or touching your drawings and project files. Before we begin, make sure your work is saved, then close Civil 3D if it's running. Give it a moment to shut down completely so none of its background processes are still active. If you still see it on the taskbar, wait until it disappears. Starting with a fully closed application ensures the utility can replace settings cleanly. Next, open the Windows Start menu. You can click the Start button or press the Windows key on your keyboard. We'll use this menu to reach the utilities that come with your specific Civil 3D installation. In the Start menu, navigate to the folder for your installed version. Look for a folder named something like AutoCAD Civil 3D 2024 or similar for your year. If you have trouble locating it, you can start typing Civil 3D to narrow it down, then open the applications folder from the results. Inside that folder, you'll see a collection of shortcuts provided by the installer, and one of those will be the reset utility we need. Now, find and run the reset settings to default utility. When you launch it, some versions will ask whether you want to back up your current custom settings. Choosing to create a backup is helpful if you think you might want to restore your previous configuration later. After you confirm, the utility will clear your current user profile and rebuild the default Civil 3D environment. You may see a brief progress window while it completes. If Windows prompts for permission, allow it to proceed. When it's finished, you'll get a confirmation that the reset was successful. A few quick notes about what this does and does not affect. It resets settings for the current Windows user profile, not the whole machine. It won't delete your project files, templates, or support content stored on network drives or other folders, but you will need to reapply any custom file paths, workspaces, and palettes you used before. The next time you open Civil 3D, expect a first run setup and the standard default workspace. This fresh start often clears up odd behavior and UI issues. To recap, close Civil 3D, open the Start menu, go to your versions folder and run reset settings to default. That's it.